The drones will play a greater role in offense, I feel. Uh, Drones actually they deplete the air defense systems, and India was very conscious to that effect. And India was very careful not to get drawn into some reckless reactions. They put drain on air defense system, and of course they intend to make air defense costly. A role of manned aircraft is also changing, as you would have seen in this May conflict. They used standoff capabilities, though they were very effective in that sense. But remember, the way they were deployed, they had changed. So drones are also affecting the dynamics of employment of manned aircraft. I find in future manned aircraft probably on your own territory may have a greater role in defense, and in the outside, in the adversary side, more of standoff systems. So I think there will be changing dynamics in the times to come. uh, Drones provide you an advantage to penetrate air defenses, and in the defense role, probably manned unmanned system together will be playing a role. In the offense, manned aircraft will use standoff roles, whereas unmanned system will penetrate the air defenses and do various roles as per the requirement.